Meaning of demotic.
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 Demotic. The term demotic generally refers to a writing system or language that is commonly used by the general population of a society, as opposed to a more formal or elite language. It can also describe a style or form of art that is popular and accessible to the masses. In broader usage, demotic can refer to anything that is representative of or related to the general public, common people, or popular culture. Overall, demotic often implies a sense of accessibility and familiarity, rather than being exclusive or esoteric.